Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the second video in a series of videos related to exponent rules. And today, we're going to study the power rule, and we have 4 examples to explain what the power rule means. It just simply means that we keep the base and multiply the exponents this time. And so let's take a look at big example 1, in which we have x raised to the a power and all that raised to the b power. And so what we have in this case, we have x is raised to the a times b. And so I'm just going to repeat that just to kind of help this sink in a little bit. So we have the quantity of x raised to the a power. That right there raised to the b power would give us x raised to the a times b. Okay, and as we go along the continuum, you will begin to really incorporate this and understand how the power rule works. And let's go into big example 2 to see how that works out. And here's what we have right here. We have x raised to the fourth power. We have the quantity of x raised to the fourth power, that raised to the second power. So this quantity right here will be raised to the second power. So I'm just going to repeat it again. So we have the quantity of x raised to the fourth power, that entire quantity raised to the second power. And what that's going to end up being is this: x raised to the 4 times 2 power, which will give us x raised to the 8th power. Now, we can also look at it this way. So we have x raised to the 4th power, and all that raised to the second power. It just simply means that we can write it like this: x to the 4th power times x to the 4th power is going to give us x to the 8th power, because at this time we have the same base and we just add the exponents in this case, just like we did in the previous video. But right here, we could just kind of see it this way right here. Or if you like, you could just kind of look at it this way, write it like this, so you can relate it back to the product rule if you like. And so let's take a look at big example 3. And we have the quantity of 5 raised to the 3rd power, and that quantity raised to the 5th power. And that just simply means that we have 5 raised to the 3rd times 5th, right? And so that's going to give us 5 to the 15th power. And so in other words, we're just taking 5 to the 3rd power and just writing it out 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can add the exponents: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And that's how we get 5 raised to the 15th power. And let's take a look at big example 4 now that we're beginning to understand the process of it all. And so we have 10 raised to the 2nd power, and that quantity raised to the 3rd power. We know that this could be 10 raised to the 2nd times the 3rd power. And so that will give us 10 raised to the 6th power. Or if you want to write it out, we have 10 raised to the 2nd power times 10 raised to the 2nd power times 10 raised to the 2nd power. Because all this right here is raised to the 3rd power, we could just write this out 3 times and add the exponents, because we have 2, 4, 6, and we have now 10 raised to the 6th power. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need time to process it, or pause the video and give it a once over if you like, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of the power rule. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and have a great day.